Welcome back to the Nanning Games.
Oh, I play with John?
Yes.
Oh my god!
Easy. But before we get to the badminton, last week we had the ping pong competition.
In the semi-finals, Mark from Team Ireland took on and defeated the USA's John Hayden.
Team China's Wen came up short against England's answer to Forrest Gump in the other semi-final.
Team Ireland all the way.
Eventually, Mark was victorious in a close final against Josh.
我以为因为我是中国人，然后我会得冠军，因为中国的乒乓球很厉害。但是我觉得所有的人都很厉害，所以我觉得我第3名，我已经很开心了。今天这样也很不错，很棒。
Fourth place, I was hoping to actually come in first or second. I thought I needed it to try to possibly win the games. I'm gonna have to come from far behind if I want to win, but got some great games in. So yeah, it was fun.
I'm over the moon with that. We picked up medals in everyone actually, so as long as I keep that going, then we're going to have a good game, to be honest. Yeah. Me and Mark have played a lot of ping pong together, and he does usually get the upper hand, so I wasn't expecting the gold. He played a lot better, but it was a good game. I enjoyed it. Now I'm dying. I'm sweating.
When I was practicing, Wen was giving me a lot of trouble, actually more trouble than Josh, so I was kind of happy Josh won the semi-final, if I'm being completely honest. I didn't fancy playing Wen there. Wen beat John in the 3rd and 4th place, so I think if it had been me and Wen in the final, I might have been coming in 2nd, but styles make ping pong matches.
Styles make
Isn't that what they say? So yeah, no, I couldn't be happier. 2 weeks in a row, tennis, ping pong, gold medals. I think it's actually important that someone else gets a few medals apart from the likes of Josh, Kit, John, and Alex and Luke, and also I'm glad to take this home. And yeah, we're on to the badminton next week, so hopefully it could be another Josh Mark final in the badminton.
We'll see about
things
that.
go. John and Wen will be out for revenge, so we'll see how it goes. Yeah, couldn't be happier.
You're playing against John now.
Oh, I play with John?
Yes.
Oh my god, I don't know that. Okay.
Yes, you're the best loser, so you're playing the...
Oh, okay. There we come.
Do you think you can beat him?
I don't think so.
Okay.
She's chumpy.
Okay.
Alex went right?
I think just lack of practice.
Fair enough.
Been the rivalry of the Nanning Games, like so.
Only for the racket sports.
He's always joyed so.
Go! I mean, go!
问问你今天刚来的时候觉得能赢吗？
No， 我觉得每次训练所有人都可以赢我，所以我觉得第一次我应该是输的，但是没有想到我一直打了4次，一直到了第4名。
很好。你觉得开心吗？
很开心，我觉得很幸运 ，so lucky。Yes。
How about you, Mark? How did the game go?
Game with Alex. He was just better. He was just better today. That's it. No, nothing else to say really. He beat me 22-20 in a close game. I was match point up, and then I just didn't get going. But fair play to him. No offense to John, but I hope Alex goes on to win it because he's come close to gold in a few events, and he definitely deserves a gold. So let's hope it's today, and I'll be cheering him on in the final. So hope he wins it.
问问你觉得今天谁会赢？
我觉得大家的水平都很高，所以
John 还是 Alex?
maybe Alex。
哇 ，OK。
Alex.
好的，谢谢 ，Thank you. Alex, you had quite a difficult route to the final. Did you expect to win today?
I didn't expect it, no, to be honest. I thought it was possible, but the people I had to face against, I actually can't believe I'm here right now. But it's always against John. We always play each other, so I guess it's just tradition that I'm here against him. But yeah, no, I didn't expect to beat the people I beat on the way, to be honest.
How about you, John?
I got a bit lucky on the draw. Had some nice matches. So I thought I could make it here. I thought I was going to play Mark or Alex. So I got Alex. And let's see, man. It's going to be fun.
What do you think? Who's going to win?
Oh, man. I don't know. Anybody's game. I played him last week, 2 games, and he beat me pretty easily. 2 games. So
he beat me in the last year's competition, so it could be another chance of redemption, maybe. We'll see. We'll see what happens, but I'm very tired after the games I've had.
Yeah, that's going to be very interesting.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Thank you.
I'm a little bit disappointed in myself, but to be honest, like I had no response to John's return on my serve. Every time I did a short serve, he just smashed it straight at me. So I was trying to do different things than what I normally did in training, and yeah, he deserved to win in the end.
Congratulations, John. 2 years in a row. How does it make you feel?
I like badminton. This year I got a bit lucky in the draw. Had a couple of easy games at the start. Helped me save energy for the last game, and that's the way it goes. Happy to win.
What about the match itself? Were you comfortable throughout, or you seem to have quite a good lead?
I was down 2-0. I was like, oh no, because last week Alex was beating me pretty easily. But then, like, I got my returns down on his serve, and that pretty much helped me to get control of the match, and that was it. So.
Alex, it's difficult to come back when you go the likes of 16-10, 17-11, 18-12, kind of game over. Did you think you had a chance of coming back, or did the head go?
No, I thought I had a chance of pulling it back, because obviously even the game against you, I was behind at the stages and I came back. So I know it's possible, and in my head I was like, I'm going to make this as difficult as possible. But I just felt like he's so big, and like his arms can go everywhere, like he had a lot of control of the court on that side. Like, it was very different to when we practiced the other week, yeah, like a spider. So yeah, no, it's a shame, but you know, like I say, he deserved to win.
Nice one, congratulations, John.
All right, thanks.